laggy, gonna wait more. I don't think that, but I have coughing issues, guys. I have coughing issues, so I'm not gonna talk for a while. I don't think my. Don't. What the heck? Where are you? Good man. Where's grandma? Run, bro. I don't think. Bro is staying upright. I close protection, my guys. Look out there. They're gonna close the door. Wow, I love this painting. What the hell? Oh. Leave this house. Yawning is my favorite thing. I don't think. Damn, bro. It's lag. It's laggy. But let's go up there. Run. Hello. Hello. Bye. Now we're weed. Nudge. Oh, let's go. Yeah. I'm so fast. They were thinking upright. Not right. I'm really say you're not doing this battle. You're not doing this painting. No. At least I got a teddy though. Wait, what's this? What's this? A battery? I ain't stealing no battery. I'm just gonna stay here. Close the door. My daddy is so cute. Hey! Well, I hope you like this video and subscribe. Goodbye!